What's going on, everybody? Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the T100 build here. So we are far from finishing this build, which means we have a lot of work to do and we should probably get started on this right now. But before we do, let me show you guys what I'll be working on today. And after we do that, we'll start to get the video started. So let's do that. Alright, so for the front end here, I'm going to be painting this bottom lip black to match the top portion of the bumper. I'm also going to be tinting these turn signals here and possibly the headlights as well. And I don't know, maybe I paint this Toyota emblem there as well. So that would be it for the front end. I think for this lip here, I'm going to disassemble it or unbolt it, set it on the side, and spray paint it here and then put it back on. For the rear end here, I'm going to be painting this chrome bumper black. I had already mentioned this in one of my previous videos. And to do that, I think I'm going to remove this tailgate here to have better access to it. Remove this plastic cover that I'm also going to be painting. And I'm going to paint this in place, so I'm going to mask whatever I got to mask so that I don't get paint on anything else that's not the bumper. And I'm going to sand it down, prime it, paint, and clear coat it, and that should be it. We're also going to be tinting these tail lights here. Alright guys, moving along here. This window I've already tinted with a 20%, but we do have to tint the other side. This mirror, we're gonna be painting black just to refresh. There's actually some white overspray paint on there, so we're gonna scuff it up and, you know, shoot a little bit of paint, make it look really nice and fresh again. Like I said, I already tinted this. It's got a 20% tint on it, but we are going to be painting, not painting, we're going to be tinting that other window right over there. This, you can see, it's pretty much just clear. So we're going to be doing a 20%, same we did on the other side. The rear window, I've already tinted that one right there, so we don't need to worry about that. And then we should be all good, and of course paint this mirror as well. So let's get started. I think that will be it for this video. That window tint came out pretty good. Check that out. There's no air pockets or nothing like that. Check out this bumper. Woo-wee! Looks a lot better than how it was, that's for sure. And the tail light tint came out pretty good too, as well as the chrome delete. All the black really does stand out, really pops up against the blue. Little details like this really do make a difference to your car.
What is up, guys? That is a wrap for this video. I hope you guys really liked it. T100 is really coming together. There's more content. I got more stuff for the T100. I had overnight parts from Japan, if you know what I mean. Actually, they're back there, but I got some stuff for the interior of the interior of the truck or the cabin, whatever you want to call it. And I'm also working out a deal, getting tires and wheels and a few other things like spacers and a leveling kit, things like that. So if I'm able to work that out, I think my next video will be about the wheels and tires. And if I can't make a deal happen, I'm gonna jump inside the truck and you know, do some work in there. But yeah, there's definitely content for the T100. I'm not done with it yet. There's a lot of stuff that need to be done, and trying to keep up with these videos. I actually have a full-time job, so it's you know, I'm trying to really make the time to make these videos. And so yeah, so if you're liking the content, do consider subscribing, leave a like, leave a comment, do all that good stuff, and I think we're good. So yeah, all right guys, peace out. I'll see you in the next one.